Top 5 smartest birds. Let's see which bird surprised you the most. Number 5. Clark's nutcracker. This bird can hide up to 30,000 seeds and still remember every single location perfectly.
Bro remembers 30,000 seed locations, and I forget why I opened the fridge.
Number 4. African gray parrot. This intelligent bird can understand colors, shapes, words, and can even count numbers.
3 blue, 2 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This bird can count objects.
And I still use calculator for 7 plus 8.
Number 3. Cockatoo. This smart bird can solve complex lock puzzles using only its beak and brain.
If this bird enters my house, even my locker is not safe.
Number 2. New Caledonian crow. This genius bird creates tools from twigs to pull insects from inside trees.
This bird makes tools. I use a knife as a screwdriver.
And number 1. Eurasian magpie. This amazing bird can recognize itself in a mirror, making it one of the smartest birds on Earth.
This bird recognizes itself in mirror. I still smile at CCTV cameras.